Hey guys, this is Ruhi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. And today's recipe is restaurant style boneless Apollo fish. And this is basa boneless cubes which we ordered in LICIOUS. Let's unbox this LICIOUS fish and I'll show you how the cubes are. Before start cooking, we have to remove from the freezer and open the pack and leave it aside for 10 minutes. And let's see how the cubes are. And the quantity of fish is 400 grams which costs 369 rupees. If you want to order, you can go for it. I felt these pieces are a bit big in size, so I cut this into cubes, small cubes. Wash this thoroughly and let's begin our recipe. To this washed fish, I have added 1.5 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon cumin powder and half tablespoon pepper powder and 1 whole egg. Mix well. To this mixture, I am adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Mix this until these fish cubes are well coated. Close the lid and refrigerate this for 30 minutes or until it is needed. Let's fry these fish cubes in a hot oil. Fry from both the sides. Now you can see here the fish cubes are really fried well. It's time to remove from the stove. In another pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and add chopped garlic and chopped ginger. Fry this for a minute and add chopped onions. Add green chilies and add curry leaves. Fry until these onions become golden brown in color. Add half cup of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon soya sauce and salt as per your taste. Fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix well. Now add 3 tablespoons of curd. Mix well until these masalas well combined and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add fried fish cubes and mix well. Add chopped fresh coriander leaves and saute for a minute and switch off the flame. Our Apollo fish is ready to have. Please give it a try and post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.